In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create forms in Zoho Creator, one of the most important skills when building applications on the platform. Let's get started. Begin by opening Zoho Creator in your browser and head to the Applications section on the home page. This is where you can access your existing apps or create a new one. Click the option to create a new application, give it a clear and meaningful name, and then continue into the application editor. Once you're inside, you'll see your form building tools on the left side of the screen. These include text fields, number fields, drop-down menus, date pickers, and more. Drag whichever fields you need onto the form canvas. As you add each one, click on it to adjust labels, placeholder text, required settings, and validation rules. These small changes help ensure your form collects accurate and organized data. After adding all your fields, take a moment to arrange them neatly. You can drag elements around to create a cleaner layout and a more intuitive flow for users. When your form looks the way you want, preview it to see how it feels to fill out. This quick test helps you catch anything that needs final adjustments. If everything works smoothly, save your changes. Your form is now live inside your application and ready for data collection. You can return anytime to edit or expand it as your project evolves. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Zoho Creator.